Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import the Coinbase wallet. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. After opening it, tap onto the search bar and type Coinbase Wallet. Then here you can find the Coinbase Wallet at the second option. Now tap on it. Now to import it, you can simply tap onto the Get button. So I have already downloaded it. That's why it is showing the Open button instead of the Get. So to import it, you will see something like this, the Get option right here. Now simply tap on it. Tapping onto Get, you can simply download it. And after downloading it, you can see the Open option. And that's it. This is how you can import the Coinbase wallet on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.